First off, let's unravel the mystery behind the classic peck. Simplicity at its finest, a peck is a brief, closed-mouth kiss usually shared between close friends or family. To master this, press your lips against theirs for a brief moment. Remember, a peck is all about subtlety and sweetness. Next up, the single lip kiss. This involves capturing one of their lips between yours, creating a gentle suction. It's an intimate kiss, perfect for those close moments. Be gentle and let your lips do the talking. Now let's turn up the heat a little with the French kiss. This requires some tongue action. Start by tilting your head to avoid a nose collision, then part your lips slightly and gently touch your partner's tongue with yours. It's a dance, not a wrestling match, so keep it smooth and rhythmic. The Spider-Man kiss, inspired by the iconic movie scene, involves kissing someone upside down. You don't need to hang from a building for this. Lying on the couch works just as well. The key is to match your upper lip with their lower lip, and vice versa. Lastly, the Eskimo kiss. This cute kiss involves rubbing noses back and forth. It's a sweet and playful way of expressing affection without using your lips. To summarize, whether it's the simple peck, the intimate single lip kiss, the passionate French kiss, the fun Spider-Man kiss, or the adorable Eskimo kiss, remember, kissing is an art. It's about connection, intimacy, and most importantly, enjoyment. So go ahead, pucker up, and let your lips paint the perfect picture.